Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to receive crypto in Phantom Wallet. Receiving crypto in Phantom Wallet is very easy. You don't pull funds in manually. Instead of, you share your wallet address with the sender and the crypto is sent directly to your wallet, and once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, it automatically appears in your balance. So first, you need to launch your Phantom app and you can unlock it using your Face ID, fingerprint or your password as well. And after that, on the home screen, what you can do is you can select one of the cryptocurrencies or the tokens here and tap on the buy on the bottom. And over here, you can simply select how much and tap on the continue. Over here, you can tap on the receive on the bottom just below the buy. So here you can simply copy the address or you can simply share your QR address as well and send your address to the person sending the crypto or paste it into the exchange or the app you are receiving from. And that is it. And you can use your QR code to avoid typing errors. Always send a small test amount first and save trusted addresses for the future use. And receiving crypto in Phantom Wallet is as simple as opening the app, tapping receive and sharing your wallet address. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.